Hello speakers, Jeff here. Vem comigo visitar Londres e aumentar o teu vocabulário. Day 1. Arriving in London. I arrived in London with a big smile. The city was full of excitement. The first thing I saw was Big Ben. It was a tall clock tower near the River Thames. Day 2. Exploring the sights. The next day, I went to see the London Eye. It's a huge wheel that gives you an amazing view of London. Day 3. Crossing the Tower Bridge. I walked across the Tower Bridge, which is a beautiful bridge that opens up for big ships. Day 4. Underground adventures. I also used the tube, which is the London Underground. It's a fast train that goes under the city. Farewell, London. My trip to London was fantastic. I said goodbye to this wonderful city with many memories. I hope to visit again one day.